In this video, we'll be creating the vice nut of the vice assembly. The vice nut is a crucial component that works with the jaw screw to control the movement of the sliding jaw. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can use them to check dimensions and download the file from the link. Now let's start designing. Take new design file, set your units to mm. Invoke create sketch. Select top plane. Take line tool and from origin horizontally draw a straight line, then vertical line, horizontal, perpendicular line, okay, till here, and close sketch. Take dimension. The length will give 80. Now this width is 29. This is 10. And this distance 14.5. Now from solid, invoke revolve feature. Profile is already selected. Axis, select this line. Okay. Next we'll select this face as sketching plane. Take circle tool. From origin, draw a circle of diameter 26. Solid, extrude feature, select this profile and to this direction minus 48. Okay, next we will select this face as sketching plane. Take circle tool and from here draw a circle of diameter 16. Solid, extrude feature, select this profile and extrude cut it to distance minus 32. Okay. Now from modify, take chamfer and select the circular edge and give distance of 4. Isometric view. Next from create, take thread feature, inner circular face, modeled, select and accept the default setting. Okay. Next we have one more feature to create. For that, we'll select this face as sketching plane. Take circle tool and vertically from origin draw a circle of diameter 5. Okay, then one more circle of diameter 5. Take horizontal constraint, this circle, okay, make it vertical. Line tool, construction line, and from origin horizontally draw a center line. Symmetric constraint to circle and the center line. Now we can give the distance. Distance between the circles is 45. Now from solid, extrude feature, select both circular profiles and to this direction in extend type all, we will cut it. Okay. Yeah. Now we have successfully designed all components of the vice assembly, ensuring precise dimension for smooth operation and proper engagement with the jaw screw. In next video, we will continue with assembling the components.